Hi, are you a group of agricultural producers, input suppliers, buyers, technical support providers, or banks? Then Hamson Buy platform is just for you. Hamson Buy is a platform that interconnects the entire agricultural landscape by combining web and mobile technologies to enable you to make informative and real-time decisions. Hamson Buy assists a group of agricultural producers to manage their seed needs and funding. To input suppliers, the platform helps you to send your offers and services to producers as well as your inputs. And for the buyers, it facilitates the choice of products you will need by comparing prices regarding the market and stock availability. And to the banks, Hamson Buy provides an opportunity to propose available credit facilities to buyers and sellers and also assists with the recovery of the funds. And finally, technical support services. The platform tracks real-time availability of materials and inputs. It also sends you information and tips to the producers. And if you do not have access to the internet, do not worry. Just dial #112 from your mobile phone to access the services. MLUMA, a platform that connects agricultural players.